friends! It's me, your Ate Aki. So for today's live debut celebration ka na.
If I feel myself fading, I know you'll be there.
Happy birthday, Nene!
When I retreat inside, you always ease my mind.
Wala akong crush! Ano ba yan?
Space, I see you looking for your eyes. In the dark, it's mine.
Hi, ate. It's your day. Oh my God.
Oh my God, you're crying.
Si Ate Aki is napakabuting ate, napakabuting anak. Hindi ko inaasahan na lalaki siyang ganyan. Sorry.
I overanalyze the mess inside my mind, and my thoughts are way too loud. My head's a cold place, and I get lost in space, but you keep me on the ground. 'Cause when I hear your voice, it drowns out all the noise.
Pinaka-the best ate kasi hindi ko alam, siya lang ate ko eh. Kaya the best siya.
But always by your side.
Napakabait na bata. Sa pulsa bata kasi halos kami na ang nagpalaki sa kanya. Hindi siya nahihiwalay sa amin. Kaya kitang-kita namin yung paglaki niya at yung pagiging mabuting bata niya hanggang sa ngayon.
Comes close to you. I hope you know. No one comes close to you. I hope you know. No one comes close to you. I hope you know. No one comes close to you. I hope you know. If I feel myself fading,
Sana maging ano siya, mapatuloy yung pagiging mabuti niyang ate, kapatid, pinsan, tsaka anak. Rooting for you to be a future flight attendant.
comes close to you. I hope you know. No one comes close to you. I hope you know. No one comes close.
Ang celebration na to ay super extra special bonus na lang talaga para sa akin. This shows me na kahit gaano man kahirap o kadami ang changes sa life, basta't inilapit mo ang sarili mo kay Lord, everything will align according to His will, far beyond what we imagine.